Hello and welcome to the introduction portion of this Rubik's Cube tutorial series. Please take a couple of minutes to review this video before you dive into Chapter 1, as it will provide you with information that you'll need to know before you start working on solving the puzzle. So the Rubik's Cube has at its core a swiveling mechanism. Surrounding that mechanism are 26 mini cubes, and going forward we're going to refer to these mini cubes as pieces. So there are three different kinds of pieces: center pieces, edge pieces, and corner pieces. So let's look at the center piece first. Each side of your cube has a centerpiece. The color of its sticker lets you know what that side's color will be once you've solved the puzzle. Now these centerpieces are fixed. They never move. You can twist and turn to your heart's content, but those 6 centerpieces will always remain on their designated sides. The only pieces that actually move are the edge pieces and the corner pieces. So now let's look at edge pieces. Edge pieces are those cubes that display 2 stickers. So each face of your Rubik's Cube has 4 edge pieces, and together, along with the center sticker, make up what looks like a cross on each side. And finally we have the corner pieces, of which there are 6, and each displays 3 stickers. So to recap, center pieces never move, edge pieces have 2 stickers, and corner pieces have 3. Okay, so now that we know that, let's talk about how it will be possible for us to solve the cube together. Now, as you may know, there are roughly 43 quintillion potential combinations, so it's pretty unlikely that your randomly scrambled cube and my randomly scrambled cube are identical or even close. So we need to find and define some common ground so that we can go through this process together. So the first thing we need to do is choose a reference point. And since I can't hear you, I'll make the call. So our reference point will be the side with the yellow center. From this point forward, the side with the yellow center is going to be the top of your cube. And now that we've defined that, there will be no ambiguity when indicating where a particular sticker is positioned, because there are only 5 possible locations it could be. And they are on the top of your cube, on the top row of your cube, on the middle row, on the bottom row, or on the bottom of your cube. And once again, here is a summary of the key points. Yellow is the top of your cube, and the edge and corner pieces will be in one of 5 positions. And that's it. That's really all you need to know in order to get started. So why don't you go to Chapter 1 and see how you do? So good luck and have fun.